Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about HTML formatting. HTML formatting can be done by using number of tags. Amongst them, the very first tag is HTML bold formatting. So the HTML elements defines the bold text without any extra importance. This is example paragraph bold. This text is bold followed by the closing tag of bold as well as the closing tag of the paragraph. Now we will try to understand with the very first example of this, how is this working in the Notepad++. Now in the Notepad++, here you can see I have already written a code. You can write over bold 1 2 3 or XYZ, your name, you could write it anything. So let's see what would be the appearance if I try to save this file. What will be the appearance? I have already saved this file, but let's save it again in with the name of html13.html. Extension is necessary. Okay, so let's go back to the destination, open up the file in the browser, and let's try to understand. Yes, this is a zoom out version. Wait, so this is there. Let me zoom out. The text is, now this part is written in normal text without any such highlight, but here you can see clearly that this text bold 1 2 3 XYZ, it's somewhat highlighted. You can see clearly that it's somewhat very much highlighted. So this was the use of the formatting tag of bold. Now we will go back to see what are the next tag which are used for HTML formatting. It's HTML strong formatting. What does it says? It says that HTML strong element defines strong text with added semantic strong importance. An example to that is paragraph strong, opening tag, this text is strong, closing tag of strong followed by the closing tag of paragraph. Now we'll go again back to the Notepad++, and we will see, like you can write over here again 1 2 3 XYZ, and again we will save this file. Let's see what this generates the output. So I have already saved this file with the .html extension. So let's see what would be the display of this file. We'll go back to the destination. We'll open up this file in the Google Chrome. Yes, here also you can see that this text is, this part is written in normal way, and strong 1 2 3 XYZ is somewhat a bit highlighted. Is there any difference between the bold and the strong? I think in the appearance point of view there is no such difference which you can take out from here. Both the tags are equally stressing on the text and making it a highlighted point. But here one more important point which we have discussed is without any extra importance. In the bold formatting you can see that without any extra importance is written, and in the HTML strong formatting you can see with added semantic strong important. What does this mean out? See, this part is for the programming point of view, for the programmer's point of view. For example, you have written the code, the programmer visits your website and it goes to the view source option. There he sees that your name, whatever would be your name, you have written with the strong tag, and your address or something else, for example your school name or something else, you have written it in a bold with a bold tag. Then bold tag means the text whatever that you are trying to show is not of that much importance, that text does not has any value. But if you are writing your name, your address or something like that, for example, so in strong tag, then the programmer will understand that yes, this tag you are using to highlight this particular part, so yes, this data might be very very important. Now we can go to web browser. Here you can see the Wikipedia. Here I wanted to make you understand. Here you can see this India, officially the Republic of India. Now here you can see India is written in the bold, Republic of India is also written in bold, and officially the is written in the normal language. So many of the websites, professional websites, use these tags to represent any of the important data which they want to highlight. So hope learners, you would have understood the HTML formatting. So thank you learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.